Okay, people, I wanted to show you how to download your Getting to Know You file from Canva. I made mine. Here it is. I am going to add my link to my favorite song once I get it into our shared document. So I have navigated to my file and I'm going to click download. And I am going to suggest that you download it as either a PNG or a JPEG. I like to download things as a PNG because you can make the background transparent, but sometimes Google doesn't really like PNGs. I don't know why, it's so rude. So what we're going to do is we're going to download it as a JPEG, and I really want high quality, even if it makes it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to click download, and my computer is going to be thinking. Okay, so I'm saving it here in virtual learning, and then I'm going to navigate to this first day of school. Now, I contemplated having y'all starting a new document with these, but I think we'll just layer it over what we already did. And so I really think I don't like this slide background. So I was going to change the background, not like that though, psych. I was going to apply a new layout, and I just think I want a blank slide. So if you had some trouble with your slide, try that. Go to slide, apply layout, and then go to blank slide, because that little piece of paper in the background of this template really caused some trouble. So my name's in this slide, and I'm just going to click Insert, Image. I'm going to upload from my computer. There's my gorgeous image. Now really, if I were being really specific, and as we move along in this class we'll get more specific, I would have asked you to make the dimensions the same as the slide. I didn't ask you that, so it's okay. I didn't even make mine the same dimensions. I'm just going to hold down Shift, and I'm going to expand my picture. I'm even really going to cover up my name because it doesn't matter, because my name is on this slide, so you can even delete it. So anyway, here's my slide, and now when we're together we can present it and it'll be all in one piece. I will explain my slide to you all in class and tell you a little bit about who I am and what I did over the summer and where I'd love to live. And well, I bought earrings this summer, y'all. Replanted plants this summer because I'm a plant mom. Here you see 4 plants. We started with 7. We ended with 4. I even managed to kill a succulent. So it's kind of embarrassing. So I did that, and I'm also going to add my favorite song. By India Ari, which you really need to listen to the song. It's such a fantastic song. It's so uplifting.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
So I'm going to just copy and paste into this, and what I'd like for you to start doing, and just instead of pasting ugly links, you can either add text. So I could insert a text box, and I could make this say YT's favorite song, and then highlight it, and then link it, hyperlink it like this. So that is one option. Another option is I could just click my one picture that's all together, and I could right click and say that I want to, oh, it doesn't give me the option when I right click. What I can do is I can select it and then click insert link and then paste that right on in there. And then now when I'm presenting, once I click the slide, it's going to take me to my favorite song, and I'm going to recommend that you listen to it today because it's so good, I promise. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and just layer it over your old slide. And remember to go back and link your song, because I would love to make a playlist of some of our favorite appropriate songs, y'all. I've taught juniors and seniors for a long time, so I know how we can be. Anyway, that is just like your short little tutorial about how to download from Canva and then upload. So the good thing about Canva is Canva's like Google, so it automatically saves, y'all. So that's amazing, and that's just such a great thing. Anyway, so make sure to finish your template. Mine took me like 10-15 minutes. I just found another one that I liked, and then uploaded some pictures and changed the text. So it's pretty simple and pretty easy, and I hope you'll be adventurous. I added some icons and some special little arrows and things. Anyway, can't wait to share this with you, but mostly can't wait to hear from you and get to know you better. I hope that you have a marvelous week.